Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up a knowledge base in Zoho Desk. A well-organized knowledge base is essential for helping your customers find answers quickly without having to contact support every time. So let's walk through the setup process step by step. First, you'll need to go to Zoho Desk and log in to your Zoho account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Zoho Desk dashboard. From here, look toward the top menu where you'll find several tabs. Locate the Knowledge Base tab and click on it. This is where all the magic happens for creating your self-service support library. After clicking, a knowledge base guideline will appear on your screen. Take a moment to read through these guidelines carefully as they'll give you a clear understanding of how to utilize this feature effectively and what best practices to follow. Once you've reviewed the guidelines and feel ready to move forward, click on the button labeled Start Writing. This action will take you directly into the article creation interface where you'll begin building your knowledge base content. Now, you're in the article editor, and this is where you'll craft your first knowledge base article. Start by adding a title for your article at the top. Make sure your title is clear and descriptive so users can easily understand what the article covers. Below the title, you'll see the main editor screen where you can add the content of your article. This is your workspace for writing detailed instructions, explanations, or answers to common questions. As you work through the editor, take some time to check out the toolbars available. One of the most important tools you'll find is the Insert drop-down menu. This feature is incredibly useful because it allows you to add links, embed videos and HTML content, insert code snippets, add tables, and even include accordion elements to make your article more interactive and visually appealing. Using these tools effectively can transform a basic text article into a dynamic, engaging resource that's easy to navigate. Once you've finished writing your article, shift your attention to the right side panel. This is where you can fine-tune the article's settings. You can add a category to help organize your articles, set display permissions to control who can view the content, add tags for better searchability, and even set an expiry date if the article is time-sensitive. After configuring these options, scroll down from the editor and you'll find the SEO section. This part is crucial for making sure your articles can be discovered through search engines. Here, you can add a custom title, meta descriptions, and keywords that will help optimize your article's visibility. Once everything is set up exactly how you want it, click on the Publish button. This will add your article to your knowledge base, making it live and accessible to your users. And there you have it. You've successfully set up and published your first knowledge base article in Zoho Desk. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.